Okay. Hi, everyone. Good evening. Good afternoon. Today, my topic is saying no makes your life better. Okay. So, no is a very simple word. It's just two letters. But this one word can oftentimes make it feel a lot heavier than the whole sentence itself. So, growing up in Malaysia, we were taught of values such as being polite, being respectful, being considerate. We value harmony, we avoid conflict, and we try not to make the other people kecil hati. So, regardless in whichever society, whether Malay, Indians, and Chinese, the common messages throughout our life that we keep hearing is don't disappoint people. Just agree what you can lah. And what it ends up with is we saying yes to those extra work when we are exhausted. We say yes to those favors that we don't have the time for. We say yes to everything even though ourselves and our schedule is screaming no. And here's the truth. For every yes that we say to the things that we don't actually want, is basically we are saying no to our own priorities. So, by saying no, respectfully and politely, it can change your life. And here's why. First of all, it protects your time. Time is the only thing in this world that we cannot get back. Time with your partner, time with your kids, time with your parents. When we clog up our schedules with priorities and tasks from other people, we're basically sacrificing our own time for all these things. Number two, it builds respect. It sounds strange, but it's true. When you say yes to everything, people tend to take you for granted. Guess what? Christmas holiday is coming soon. We are all taking leave. Who's going to cover our work? Alvin, the yes man. Just an example. And number three, why? It protects your mental health. So believe it or not, trying to satisfy everyone else is actually stressful. Most people today are overwhelmed, not because they have too many tasks to do, but they cannot filter out what are actually important tasks to them. Okay, so here are some methods how we can say no without being rude. Okay, I'm going to start this with some practical example. Most of us experience working from home. Possibly husband and wife working together. Husband will come and say, "Hi honey, this afternoon you are free, right? Let's go to the A&O buffet lunch. There's a roasted duck there on the menu today." So, you in your mind, you might feel pressured to say, yes, it's my husband. He wants to eat his favorite roasted duck. But rather than saying yes when you don't want to, take these few steps of saying no politely. First, acknowledge. You can go ahead and say, "My dear, I understand how you value your roasted duck at the A&O hotel." Okay, that's acknowledgement. Second, state your boundary. Apparently, tomorrow I have a health check coming. And you know my cholesterol level is not so good. So eating roasted duck today and going on a buffet, not really the best idea. The third step, offer an alternative. How about we go next week? Once I'm done with my health check, you can still satisfy your duck craving. So in conclusion, no is not rejecting people. It's basically a commitment to your own priorities. And it is a form of self-respect. Thank you.